Pom-Pom Llamas. We had great fun making these Pom-Pom Llamas at Childcare Expo, but of course it takes quite a time. You get your 2 card circles and you have to wind it round and through, and it's quite a long time, and we know kids like things very instantly. So we devised Speedy Pom-Poms, and all you need is a square of card and your wool, and you start winding and you just keep winding, and very soon you'll find you've built up a fantastic basic pom-pom. So there we are with our Speedy pom-pom winding, and as you can see, this is in real time. We've not speeded this up, and if the wool hadn't got stuck under my foot, it would have been even quicker. You can go all the way along the card. And then we cut it off, and with a bit of dexterity, it's easy for me to say, you take it off the card, you take a piece of wool, I've done it in a different colour to show you, and you tie it around the middle. Ooh, fiddly fingers. Nice and tight, put it in a double knot, and in the time it would have taken to do a few more layers on that, we're ready to go. And what we do is snip through the loops, one side and the other. And shake it out, and there's our pom-pom. Now we've got the templates in the issue for you to cut out the head, the legs and the fluffy body. You can double up, you can use 2 different colours, you can be creative. We even made some flamingos with our pom-poms, and that's all in the summer issue of Creative Step.